In today's video, I will teach you how to add a Polaroid frame to photos in GIMP. Let's get started. Adding a Polaroid frame to your photos in GIMP is a simple and effective way to give them a classic look. Follow these steps to achieve this effect. The first step is opening your Polaroid template. To do this, launch GIMP and open your Polaroid frame template by navigating to File, then Open. Now, to open your photo as a layer, go to File, then Open as Layers. Then locate your image on your computer, select it, and click Open. In the Layers panel, click and drag your photo layer below the Polaroid template layer. If the Layers palette isn't visible, go to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, then Layers to open it. Now we're going to resize the photo. Select your photo layer, then use the Scale tool by selecting it from the toolbox or pressing Shift-S. Then click on your photo and adjust the size so it fits within the Polaroid frame. Now confirm the scaling by clicking Scale. And to move your photo, select the Move tool from the toolbox or simply press M on your keyboard. Then click and drag your photo into the correct position within the Polaroid frame. You may need to switch back and forth between the Scale and Move tools to get the positioning just right. And once you're satisfied with the positioning, you can save your work. Save your project as an XCF file by going to File, then Save As if you plan to make further edits. And you can export the final image as a JPEG or another preferred format by going to File, then Export As. By following these steps, you can easily add a Polaroid frame to your photos in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.